Hi, I'm Asya from Bird&Stone. So what are your dreams? What do you hope to aspire in your life? What are your goals?
I hope that in my life I always keep music with me, since it's something that makes me happy. My biggest dream is to help provide internet access to everyone who wants it all around the world. I think that would be the most empowering way to connect people.
I'd like to change Upper Egypt because women there are really oppressed, and I come from there and I've seen how women are oppressed there. So I think I'd like to raise awareness about women's rights in Upper Egypt.
My goal in life ultimately would be to impact public health in my country. Hopefully after attending medical school, I would really like to impact public policy regarding medical, public health laws that are passed in my country. So that would include laws like breast cancer medical checks, like for women above 40.
I really have a desire to teach or to make aware women in my community that about body image. Media is having a really big impact on women about body image, and it's becoming a bigger obstacle on them to achieve their dreams and to go ahead in life. And
I want that women in my country to be more educated. So every change starts with you, and I decided to educate first myself, then